Oh, there we go.
Southwestern Orange County in East Central Florida, northwestern Osceola County in East Central Florida, until 7:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 6:39 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over SeaWorld, or near Oak Ridge, moving southwest at 15 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail.
Come on.
Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Orlando, Kissimmee, Bay Lake, Celebration, and Oak Ridge. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. Serving Orlando and vicinity, this is NOAA weather radio station KIH63, the voice of the National Weather Service. This broadcast comes to you from the National Weather Service office in Melbourne, Florida, on a frequency of 162.475 megahertz. A required weekly test of the NOAA Weather Radio Public Warning System is conducted each Wednesday between 11 a.m. and noon, and again between...
I guess they're not going to relay it. Oh, come on, 521. You know better. I have to wait for a freaking weekly test.
Oh, and an SPS for filing.
Are they not going to relay this? Oh, okay. Well, that came out of literally nowhere. Dang. And somehow this thing actually activated. Duh.